In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add a video inside of a text in Adobe Premiere Pro. So let's first make a text layer with the type tool. And this really works best with large style fonts. So for this one, the Myriad Pro bold seems to be good. And I'm just going to increase my font size and then also increase it manually. Like this, then aligning my text to my footage. And then when you're happy with your text and you have adjusted it in the properties window, which if it isn't visible, you can go to Windows and then choose properties. And while you're there, make sure the effect window is also visible, because we're now going to go to effects and search for track matte. And the track matte we're going to add to our video footage layer. So not our text layer, but the video footage. And then here in the effect controls window, which if it isn't visible, you can go to window and then choose effect controls. We're going to change our track matte into the layer of our text. So whatever layer your text is in. And then when you change that, as you can see, now we have our video inside of our text layer. Let me know in the comments below if you liked this video. Be sure to press the thumbs up button if you did. Press the subscribe button if you want to see more of my videos. I have new tutorials going live every week. And for now, thank you for watching my video. Stay creative, and I hope to see you in the next one.